Hi there, hi everyone. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle. The third regular puzzle. In not in today's newspaper, in the yesterday's newspaper, because today it's Valentine's Day, Wednesday, February the 14th, 2024, and yesterday, yeah, bad news because the paperboy has not delivered the newspaper. So I've not received the newspaper of yesterday. So I had to do go to the news paper site to download the puzzles. So I'm catching up for the puzzles, and this third regular puzzle will be a number 7994. Yeah, 7994. Well, come on. Yeah, let me do this. Okay. Well, before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Maybe a 1-star, maybe a 2-star puzzle. The hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 16, so I think it's a 1-star. Then I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Could be a 2 stars. Then I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Oh, apologies. Pop the camera. Alright. This one. First question to you is, can we see in a single box? The single box is always a 1. I see only one single box. Always a 1. Next question, do we ever have dual boxes? I see only one dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Well, this box can be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question. Oh, no. Another dual box contains the 1 and the 2. Yeah, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Next question, do we ever have triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, cannot see. Oh, here we have a triple box. The 3 is already given, so those 2 boxes should be the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4, 5, okay. Next question. Do we have here quadro boxes? I see here quadro box, there quadro box. Well, these 3 boxes contains the 1, the 2, and the 3, and the 4. Well, these 3 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4. 3 and 4. Okay, here another quadro box. Well, cannot fill those numbers. I need to wait. My next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this Z construction. If you flip this and rotate this to the right side, you will get the S construction. Let me draw this here. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box is the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. That box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Do we have more in this puzzle? Nope. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box It's the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 2 here. And we have only a 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. Where you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's already filled in. Number 2, alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes here? We have another one, but mirrored. This box is the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 here. And here, another one. This box is the same number as that box. And we have one shape left. This shape. Let me draw this shape here. Oh, wait. Maybe better here. Where you see this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. It's already filled in. Here, the 4. Yeah. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize. In this puzzle, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step. It's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this W area shape should be there. Then let me see. This box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. This box can be 1, that box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. Then, well. This box can be 4, that box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. I've marked this box with 4 or a 5. We have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 more. This box should be a 5, so 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3, let me mark those. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this quadrat box should be there, so 2 numbers left in this quadrat box for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4. 1 and 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 3 and a 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 there, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 goes together with the 4 as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then, let me see. This box can be 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes here. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. Then I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this area of numbers 1 and 2, 1 and 2. And we have also here 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 marks. So the 1 supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Alright, we go to the left side, okay. Then 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, let me mark those. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Well, yeah, this box is connected with that box, so 3 and 4, but it cannot be a 4 anymore. We have a 4 here, so it should be a 3. Is connected with that box, so 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes in there, and the final 2 numbers in this Z construction. For numbers 4 and 5, 4 and 5, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there, finish in 12 minutes. Whoa. Wow. 1 star. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 40 minutes, 30 minutes. So not a 3, not a 2, not a 1. 0 stars. And pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later on with the other 4 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye-bye for now.